Start by removing headrest from the seat. You will need to align the headrest cover next to the headrest. This will allow you to determine the position the headrest needs to be installed. Install your headrest cover. Make sure you align the sides and Velcro both straps together to ensure a snug fit. Backrest. Make sure you align backrest cover correctly by matching its contours and cutouts. Place over your backrest cover and start siding it down from side to side as shown. Let's not forget to push down on cross-like cuttings on top of your backrest as well. Not let move down to the bottom flap. Go ahead and push back in between your backrest and the bottom cushion as shown. Now let's move on to the bottom cushion. Go ahead and select the bottom cushion part and place over the seat, making sure you have it on just the way you want. Flip and undo the straps from the back side as shown. Place over your bottom cushion and place it just the way you want. Go ahead and grab your straps and push in between the backrest and bottom cushion of the same with the remaining of the flap shown. If airbag option was selected, this would be the time to fix it as well. Side plastic panel. You will need to grab elastic strap and pass it in between the cushion and the plastic panel as shown. You can do this two ways. One is just by using your hands, and the second one is by using the installation tube provided to you. Most cars will have a small flap on the bottom backside of your car seat that will need to be unhooked as shown. Pull every strap tight to secure a better fit. Go ahead and start hooking every elastic band to the bottom of your seat, making sure you don't interfere with any of the wiring from underneath. Use fork side of installation tool to help yourself push through all straps to the other side of the seat. Go ahead and connect each buckle to the correct one, making sure you pull tight each strap for a more secure fit. Lastly, you can set your headrest on your seat. Follow the same steps for the other side. Back seat backrest. Go ahead and remove headrest as you did before. Place headrest cover, making sure you have it on just the way you want it. Grab your backrest cover and undo the flaps from each other. Place over your backrest. Make sure to pass the backrest under and not over the integrated seat belt located on the middle of the seat as shown. Make sure you align the cross-light cuttings to selected hole on top of the backrest. Now go ahead and push back seat cover flaps to the back of the seat as shown. Before you move forward to the next step, let's place the cup holder cover on as you see in the video. Bring the cup holder slightly forward to better help yourself. Please note there's limited space for this step. Don't forget to Velcro the bottom flaps of your backrest as shown. Back seat bottom cushion. Place cover over the seat, making sure you align the stitching from the seat cover to the one on your bottom cushion. Go ahead and undo all buckles from the seat cover. Flip and place over your seat starting from front to back. Now you can push all flaps in between the bottom cushion and the backrest, making sure you align everything just the way you want it. Go ahead and lift your bottom cushion and pull every strap through. Start attaching all straps to each other one by one and pull tight for a secure fit. Let's not forget about the side-to-side strap. Lastly, you can place your headrest back on, and there you have it. You have successfully installed your CalTrend custom seat covers.